Hi everyone, welcome back to this brand new unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox this Singapore Airlines Airbus A350-900 from Aviation400 and the 1 to 4 scale. So yeah, besides that, the box is a little bit damaged here as well. So yeah, for me not a big problem, but you know, I would love to see it, just like it's brand new, but now it looks like it's used or something, but it isn't. But you know what I mean. But the backside also beautiful. Simple but nice. Let's unbox this aircraft. So here you can see the aircraft out of the box. Absolutely beautiful model. I'm so happy to have this one in my collection. We'll tell you why. In 2019 I flew on the A350-900 from Singapore Airlines from Amsterdam to Singapore and back. One of my best flights ever. The cabin, 10 out of 10. The seats, the amenities, the screen, the in-flight entertainment, everything in this aircraft was, on point. I've never seen such an updated, such a modern aircraft in my life. So I finally got my hands on one of these models. I'm so happy to have this one. But before we continue, here you can see the stand that is included in the aircraft, So yeah, that's always with Aviation400, you get some stands with it, so that's a nice add-on. So let's put it aside. So you can see the aircraft out of the box, absolutely beautiful model. What I like at Aviation400 models is that it is very detailed, as well as the beacon. I don't think you can see it, but it's like reflecting a bit in the light. Something you don't see much these days with other manufacturers. As well as that these models are also, top-notch. Everything is good at these models. No broken wings, nothing loose, no missing gear. You know what I mean. So yeah, this is the model. So let's have a look at the backside of the aircraft with its beautiful tail. The registration is Niner, Victor, Sierra, Juliet, Delta. A little bit more to the front, you can see the Singapore Airlines logo and name with the amazing flag. And the winglet is the same as the tail without the logo in it, so the blue with the orange. Besides that, we can look at the front of the aircraft a little bit more. And you can see the front doors and the Star Alliance logo. So for now, thank you all very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little review of the Singapore Airlines Airbus A350-900 from Aviation400. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments. And I will see you next time. Bye.